ladies, it's me, April. So let's go ahead and get into the video. These are the acrylics that I am going to be using onto this nail. I have the Chameleon dots. This turns to like a green to a purple. It's super cool. I like them. I will be using my Wistonia number 16 brush. I really love this brush. And then I'm also going to be using the Alpha 3D brush. The new ones that she just came out with the caps and all. I really like it. So here are more of the acrylics that I will be using. Pretty much most of it, all of it really, is all going to be from Pooh's Corner. I will link her description down below and my discount code as well, so you guys can check her out. She has quite a lot of stuff, from acrylics to raw glitters to mixes, nail tips. I mean, there's so much stuff that she has. So now let's go ahead and curve my nail a little bit. I kind of didn't want it straight stiletto, so I kind of wanted to have it a little curve. So that is what I am doing here. Kind of give it like a little curve, but still point, you know what I mean? So yeah. So I will be using this metal file that I got from AliExpress. It is a metal one. You see that I could not bend it at all. I really love it. All you have to do is just peel the corners off and add the new one. With this one here, I did put 2 different grits. I think it was like 150 on one side and 100 on the other one, or it's 180 and 100, one of those. But anyway, if you want one of those, I will link that in the description below as well, so you guys can get one. I know it's doesn't have a brand name on them like all these other brands that have theirs, but I think it still works quite well. I don't have an original of anyone that has, you know, their brand name on it, but these ones actually work pretty good. I was impressed. So I will be doing a green, kind of an ombre, black green, kind of almost clear ombre. Now I am putting the green on the tips, and I am slightly making it a little clear, translucent, because I kind of want to see it kind of, you know, clear. So that is what I'm doing there. And then I will be putting on black towards the cuticle, black towards the cuticle area. And so it kind of has that, you know, see-through. You see how that, see? Okay. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and put some more green just to touch it up a little bit. You know, I should have used maybe like a little darker green, but I thought this green was all right. Now that I'm like watching it, I was like, maybe I should do like 3-color ombre or something, you know? Well, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna be getting the black. And like I said, all these acrylics are from Pooh's Corner. Black is really nice. I'm just gonna fade that down a little bit. And the ombre really doesn't have to be 100% perfect, because I am going to be putting glitters on top of that, pretty much to cover up the whole nail. But yeah, I like it. Looks pretty cool. So now I am getting my Alpha number 5 3D brush, and how I'm going to place these glitters, kind of like a glitter placement, is just adding very little bit of acrylic and picking up some glitter, and then just putting it on there, you know. And I wanted to use a 3D brush because, you know, the regular size brushes, they are super duper big already, and for me to figure it out, the placement, and not have so much acrylic on it, like a lot of bulk or whatnot, I went ahead and used the 3D brush. And I have sped up a little bit, kind of cut some pieces off of the video because I know it would take you forever to watch it, and I'm sure people would be getting bored by this point. So I kind of like cut some pieces off. But it's pretty much the same thing that I'm doing over and over and over again. So yeah, just adding a little bit of acrylic, then adding the chameleon dots on top. I really thought this looked super cool. I had this other thing in mind on how I wanted to do it, but I didn't know how to actually do it. So I was like, darn. This nail, I will be using stamping. I know I haven't stamped in a while, so I wanted to go ahead and do a video with the stamping. So I was like, hey, well, let's just do that. So far, it's coming along great. And then when you see it all like matte, I freaking loved it. Like, freaking loved how it looked all matte. Now I'm going to go ahead to encapsulate all the glitter. So I just wet the nail again. So it's like easy sailing, going all the way down. And you can see like that purple tone that comes out from the chameleon dots. So pretty, I love it. But just like that, I freaking love it. I love that nail just like that. Anywho, so we're just gonna add more acrylic to it. All right, so now it is time for the stamping, and y'all know back then I used to use the Handy black because it was my favorite, so I am going to be using it. I will be also using the Fab Your Nails scraper and the Creative Shop number 70. I'm going to use these right there. So there's a lot of new plates out, and I was like, oh my god, no, I don't need to get back into the plates. So yeah, I probably will be getting a couple of stamping plates here. I had seen that there was a recent one with animal prints. I can't remember exactly who it was from. Either Lantern and Wren or Clear Jelly Stamper. I can't remember. So I was going to use the Mora, but then I was like, no, let's go ahead and use the Handy. Just keep it original because I already know how the Handy is going to work with me anyway. So, all right, so you see that nail, right? Look at that nail. Ain't it ready? Just matte, just like that. It looks super awesome. All right, so let's keep going. When I was stamping, I was like, man, I have not lost my touch. Because how in the beginning when you first start stamping, it's like, man, did I do it right? Why is it not picking up the image? Things like that. So it's like once you stamp, it's like riding a bike. You'll know it forever. And I'm really happy about it. I did feel a little awkward, but But look at the nail. Doesn't it look freaking awesome? Matte. You see, and then I put a shiny glossy top coat on top of it. I mean, it looks pretty that way too, but I think I would have preferred it a little bit better. I would have preferred it better matte. Now that I see it again, I would have totally preferred it that way. It looks cool. You know, I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys think. Would you have preferred the matte version or the glossy? So anyway, so this is my nail, guys. I really do hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below and I will try to answer it out for you guys. And thanks guys for watching and have a great day. Bye.